Bluebird is proud to present Sukkot in Marrakesh, Morocco, a dream stay. A dream stay. Star hospitality, taking place during the Sukkot holiday. From October 5th, 2025 to October 15th, 2025. 11 days and 10 nights. 11 days and 10 nights. At the luxurious 5-star El Oliver Hotel. Half-board, kosher and Shabbat, and full-board Shabbat. Package includes half-board kosher, full-board Shabbat and Shabbat, swimming pools, excursions for whole Hamod for Israelis, chapels with Moroccan singer Pin Shaz Cohen. Attractive price, $2,150 per person in a double room. $2,150 per person in a double room. Flights and visa not included. For more information and reservations. Bluebird is proud to present Sukkot in Marrakesh.